Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix NBA 2K25 MyTEAM Mobile not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to do some basic troubleshooting. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a pretty stable interconnection. Now sometimes not having a stable interconnection can cause some problems in your phone, which in this case, if you're using any apps, this will actually cut any connections and in turn cause some problem. So in this case, if you're using mobile data, you might want to switch over to maybe a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using your Wi-Fi, you might want to switch over to your mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you do here is to clear your cache. So in this case, you want to look for NBA 2K25 MyTEAM, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and from here you want to go and click on the clear all data at the bottom right of your screen. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option for clear cache. But if you just see delete all data, don't delete all the data here. It will erase any data that is stored in your game here. But what you're looking for is going to be the clear cache option. Now, it might appear in here, but if you've recently cleared your cache before, it will just say delete all data here. So just choose the option that says clear all cache. Now, another thing that you could do here is to make sure that you have or your app is up to date. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google Play Store here. And from then on, you want to go ahead and search for the app. So let's just type in NBA 2K25 MyTEAM. Now, if you do see any updates on it, so let's just open it up. So if you do see any updates on it, you want to go ahead and click on the update button, wait for it to complete, and from then on, restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those actually work, the next best thing that you do here is to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. So in this case, you want to click on uninstall here, click on uninstall. And once you've uninstalled this one, I recommend you to click on install here, wait for it to complete. And once the installation is complete, you can go and restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.